Welcome to Emirates NBD MePay. Hello. Now with MePay, you can also transfer funds to any UAE mobile number, even to non-Emirates NBD customers instantly. This video shows you how to do it. Log in to the mobile banking app, either with your Smart Touch or by entering your credential. Tap on Transfers on the main menu and select New MePay Transfer under Emirates NBD MePay. Select one of your listed accounts you wish to send money from. If the beneficiary is an Emirates NBD customer, you can instantly transfer money to his or her account. Or, if you are unsure about whether your beneficiary is an Emirates NBD customer or not, select To ATM option. Then, type the beneficiary mobile number manually or select it through your contacts by tapping on Contacts icon. Your contacts will be listed. Select the beneficiary and tap on Mobile Number. This mobile number will be pasted automatically. Enter the amount and write a description for your transaction. Then tap on Continue. Review and confirm your transfer details. Now, you need to authorize your transaction. We recommend using SmartPass to authorize your transactions conveniently. If you are not using SmartPass, you can enter the SMS authentication code sent to your registered mobile number. Congratulations! Your transfer is successfully completed. Once you completed the transaction, an SMS will be sent to the beneficiary with a 5-digit authentication code to withdraw the money from any Emirates NBD ATM across the UAE without using a card. The beneficiary has to withdraw the funds within 24 hours. Otherwise, the transfer will be cancelled and the amount will be credited back to your account. You also need to communicate the amount of the transfer to help your beneficiary withdraw the money. Please also remember you can initiate the transaction directly from any Emirates NBD ATMs. Under Transfers menu, just select To a Mobile Number option. Then, select the account to transfer from and enter the mobile number of the beneficiary. If the recipient is an Emirates NBD customer, tap on Transfer to Account. If you are not sure if the beneficiary is an ENBD customer or not, select Transfer to ATM. On the next step, you need to enter the amount and view your transfer details. Once you confirm it, your transaction will be completed. Congratulations! Now you can take your card and contact your beneficiary about the transaction amount to help withdraw money. To learn how to withdraw money from Emirates NBD ATMs, please continue with the next video. Thank you for banking with us. Easy banking with Emirates NBD.